The great character, Atticus Finch, the fictional lawyer from To Kill a Mockingbird. He was a fictional character, but he said something that was really real. And here's what he said. He said that you never really know a person until you spend some time and you walk around in their hide. Something to that effect. You spend some time in their skin and then you walk around in it. And of course, we can't really get into someone's skin, but what we can do is give someone the ultimate gift of our attention and to really truly listen. I will never forget when I used to work at the Juvenile Detention Center. I was a counselor there, and one day I had this kid in my office and we were talking about his life and his home life and that type of thing and his plans for when he got out. And he said something that has stuck with me all these many years. And this is what he said. When we got done, I was getting ready to take him back to his unit, take him back to where he was being housed. He said, "Mr. Scott, thank you so much." And not just thank you, but I mean, he was just shaking my hand till it felt like he was going to just shake my arm off. But what the kid told me was this. He said, "Do you know that this is the first time that I've ever really felt that someone really took the time to listen to me?" I mean, and this just really blew my mind. I mean, I was shocked because after all, this kid was like 15 or 16 years old. And to think that during all that time, at least he perceived it as no teacher, no parent, no aunt, no uncle, no grandparents had actually taken the time to listen to him. And so I translate that over to the legal arena because there's a lot of talking about, how tough I am and how many trials I've done and how we do things and the combined years of experience. I mean, lawyers have all types of things in their marketing. But how many times have you seen an ad that says, "You know what? We will really listen to your issue and your problem to make sure that we get things right." Because after all, it is very possible in the legal arena to go all the way through a litigation, a case, and find out that you achieved the wrong objective. Stated differently, sometimes in life you can actually climb the ladder all the way to the top of a situation and realize that the ladder is leaning against the wrong wall. You don't want that to happen to you. You don't want that to happen to your loved one. You don't want that to happen in your case. So when you're looking for an attorney, one of the things you should look for is someone that will really listen and really take the time to understand your case and what you want and what your needs are. So here's the tip. When you go to sit down with an attorney for a consultation, don't just take note for what he or she says. Take note as to how well he or she listens.